Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your Motorola Razr 60. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the case. It's very important because sometimes, let me just put on my case, you will see that the case is fitting perfectly here. But if your case is going over the bezel, which is the dark part between the screen and the side of the phone, then you should remove it. Of course, you can remove the screen protector too, but only if it's not original. So if yours is already third party, if you destroyed your other one, the one that came with the phone, then you can just go over and remove it. Then somebody can place the screen protector again for you, or you can do that. But if you have the original one, don't touch it because it is still under warranty, and sometimes you can get your warranty voided because of that. So we don't want it. And now what are we gonna do is we're gonna clean our screen to remove any debris or moisture. So here I'm just gonna swipe a couple of times. I'm sorry if the phone is just moving too much, but I'm really trying to make sure that the ghost touch problem is fixed. So now what are we going to do is we're going to go over, and as a last resort, we're going to update our software. So open up the settings. In the settings here, what are we going to do is we're going to scroll down a little until we see system updates. Tap check for updates, and everything looks good for me. I'm using the latest version, but if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. It is very important that you stick to the latest version because there's less glitches. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.